Starting around 06 October 2023, Algorand in a real sense is exchanging at $0.100 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in by and large most recent 1 hour and in every way that really matters, significant way. Algo especially has an especially complete market cap of $786,879,798, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,847,452 in a kind of significant manner. This especially makes Algo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 45 in the digital money market, which generally is very huge. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand generally be truly worth in 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Algorand a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will Algo cost fundamentally outperform its untouched height, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge? These essentially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a kind of huge manner. Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of 12 cents, the normal least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be 12 cents, or so they sort of thought. Besides, Algo can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the really greatest cost for Algorand could for the most part stretch around 11 cents in a by and large significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 generally is 10 cents, with a kind of typical cost of 11 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of 11 cents, showing how Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost truly is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of 12 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be 12 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand cost can sort of arrive at a sort of limit of 12 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, showing how these most certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand by and large is supposed to sort of be at around an exceptionally least of 11 cents, showing how Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost especially is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of 12 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to be 12 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a really limit of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in a genuinely significant way. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand sort of is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. The Algo cost could generally arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 13 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, showing how Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost most certainly is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of 12 cents. The normal most certainly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to in a real sense be 12 cents, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand basically will be essentially anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 13 cents and an extremely least of 12 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. Algorand pretty past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 0.16% in its really current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we especially think about the genuinely current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand sort of is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Algo for the most part is down to nearly 0.7% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which in every practical sense shows that Algorand truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past in every practical sense, scarcely any days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, which basically is very critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in every way that really matters diminished by 57.744%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 14 cents from its truly current worth, which basically is genuinely critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a very great generally purchase an open door for most certainly speedy venture, so the Algo cost could really arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023. Showing how Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost by and large is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be 12 cents in a for the most part significant manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 59.28%. And the cost fundamentally flowed from a for the most part least exceptionally normal cost of 23 cents to sort of greatest genuinely normal cost of 25 cents in the essentially beyond 90 days in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand generally is somewhere near 46.78% with the really greatest especially normal cost of the coin by and large was around 17 cents and the for the most part, least in every practical sense, normal cost of basically was around 16 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, which sort of shows that Algo, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of Algorand truly is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 13 cents and an extremely least of 12 cents, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts what will especially be Algorand most certainly worth in 2023, which really is very huge. The Algo cost by and large is gauged to for the most part arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of 13 cents, with genuinely least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Does Algorand all things